Hello sir, good morning sir. Thank you for this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Sunil Dubey. I am from Sangja, Nepal. I am 28 years old. I have 5 years experience in electrical manufacturing company. I work in there assembling clips. I have 10th pass certificate. I have driving license category A and category B. I want to Europe because European country is very good country, good weather, good salary, to better my future, to family support, and my salary is 700 to 900 euros. My hobbies is playing, studying, social work, etc. Sir, thank you, sir. My name is Sunil Dubey. I am from Galang Municipality, Sangja, Nepal. I am going to fitting MCB in new house. I have 5 years experience in this field. Thank you.